Are you looking for better solutions to play your iPhone through your radio, through your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input? You may already try one of these FM transmitter, the Bluetooth FM transmitter like this, or Bluetooth FM transmitter like this, and they're full static and it doesn't work. It's just hissing, humming, and static noises, and that's driving you crazy. Well, I have a better solution for you. It is my gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. I came up with this Gizmo Guy Gadget specifically for your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. All you gotta do is plug in my device onto your iPhone like this. Simple as that. And set your car radio to 87.9. You will be able to hear all your music, podcasts, news, YouTube, audiobooks, everything you want to hear right from your iPhone through your older car radio without Bluetooth or aux input or any wire at all. It will be totally wild. It will be completely wireless, and you will be crystal clear without static, hissing, or any type of noise. All you have to do is plug my gadget into the phone like this and hit play. Now you can hear the music coming through from the car stereo loud and clear without any static. You do not need Bluetooth, you do not need aux, you do not need any cable. You can use my gadget to play music from Pandora, from YouTube, podcasts, right through any radio. For cars around 2000 or mid-2000 that come with a navigational system or a computer system for sound stereo, with a high-end stereo. So if you already tried one of these Bluetooth FM transmitter already, and you know they don't work, try my gadget out. It comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it in any way, simply send it back to me, and you'll get your money back. You'll get your full refund. But otherwise, I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. You'll be crystal clear and static-free, and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone through your old car radio without any wire or any Bluetooth. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Try my gadget out. I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Click on the link below to find out more.